National President Gaseng NPP Ubadeiru Umendu Rangpa Kajala Meghalaya Conrad Sangma Thet Kti Halor ki Jingjia ki Blajah ki HDC Conrad Uloong baki kam ki Baha District Council ki de ki kam Baha Po Jonki berkumta ka Sorkar Kamchu Mushlia Nani Korba ki kam Jonki Council.
But we have always maintained from the government side that the matters that are related to the autonomous district councils are their internal matters, and normally the state government does not intervene in any of the political situations that are there in any of the district councils, be it Khadc Hills Autonomous District Council or Jingjia Hills or Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So therefore it is an autonomous body, it's a separate government, and hence even politically there are its own dynamics are there, internal, which are very complicated in nature. And hence we have always maintained that that's a different chapter, different matter, and we do not intervene in the overall movement. They have challenges, and we've always encouraged them to work out the different challenges. Whenever the information used to come to us, we used to pass on and try to resolve issues. But as I said, I guess situation was such that these kind of steps had to be taken. So hence, as I said, it's an internal matter and it's a separate matter from the government, and we normally don't interfere in the day-to-day functioning of the district councils.